Hey guys, it's Lisa here and welcome to my channel. It's Sunday night, Sunday evening. It's about 6:40, I think, yeah. I am home alone. Nobody's here. Me wanting to come in and share this video with you is because my house kind of got thrown into a chaos these past few days. My husband got called out on an emergency trip for work, and it being such short notice, my in-laws couldn't come to watch the kids because I work evenings. And this schedule for me that I have this coming up week is going to be crazy. They usually come and watch the kids when I work and he's out of town. Obviously, when he's out of town. They couldn't come, so now I had to get the kids prepared, get them ready, get their suitcases ready, make sure their clothes were washed. I'm washing clothes before my actually laundry day. We didn't find this out until Friday evening. So I worked Saturday morning, so I wasn't able to do anything. He had to be on the road today, no later than 2 p.m. And I am one that plans everything to the T. So trust me, this threw a big wrench into my planning. I also do a cooking series. So there was so many things I had planned to do. And you're talking like I was up at 8 in the morning cooking. So that was what had been going on. So with all that going on, this house got thrown into a chaos. And I'm just looking at the mess. And I'm kind of feeling a little overwhelmed because my house doesn't ever like this. Now, the only thing that does get messed up is, of course, the kitchen table. I don't know why. It's just a big landing strip. Everything gets thrown there. That's okay. That's just a table. But I love to go to bed with a clean home. I'm sure I'm not the only one. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started with this video. Enough talking, Lisa. Let's do this. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is get my music going. I'm going to unload the dishwasher. This is something that the kids do every single evening. But due to the chaos that was going on, I'm going to have to unload it myself. It's not my favorite thing to do, guys. I think I got used to the kids doing it. My son is the one who unloads the utensils. So this is me fixing the utensil drawer. I always do this though, guys. He kind of like just seems to just throw it in there. But it's okay. I don't mind at all. Alright guys, so now the dining room table. This is the big landing strip for everything. So here I am taking my work bag out of there, my cardigans I wear. I'm going through the mail now that's been sitting there for the past 3 days. So kind of opening up mail, junk mail that needs to get thrown away. So now I'm gonna get rid of all of that and throw it away in the trash. The placemats from earlier. So now I'm just gonna wipe down the table. I don't use anything specific to wipe down. I kind of just soap up the rag with regular dishwashing soap, and that's usually how I do it. So part of my routine for Sundays is doing laundry. But since I already did the laundry, this was the only thing that was left. So it wasn't that important to wash. So I'm just doing the towels. I'm gonna go put away. Some go into the hall bath, and then the rest go into the master bath. The kitchen towels. Right, so onto my living room. I am here picking up my shoes, the shoes I left laying around. I'm grabbing the cord to my laptop. That's what you see sitting on the couch. I like to do my editing sitting there on the couch. I just find it relaxing. And right there, I'm actually posing for a thumbnail that I might use. So I'm just gonna go put that away in my room. And I actually explain here in a little bit why I put sheets on my couches. But right now what I'm doing is just straightening up. Kids kind of just throw themselves on the couch when they're gonna watch some TV or a movie. And those blankets I took them to the laundry room. So that the blankets the kids would use. Guys, so my kitchen is clean. I know it's kind of cluttered. Those are clean. I'm letting that soak. These I'm going to put away here in a few minutes. I just need to start my dishwasher. So let me run the hot water. So then I run the hot water first. Then I'm going to press normal and start. So I got that cleared up. That's my cup of water. My table's clean. Like how my table looks. This is the living room. This is how I picked this up. Now, if those of you who are wondering why I have sheets on my couches, it's because of the color of the couch. I fell in love with these new couches. So if you've been watching me for a while, you would have seen the other ones I had before. So there's my plant. My plant actually didn't need any water, so it's good to go. So this is my living room. And so yeah, I needed to clean up this chaos, guys, because it was driving me crazy. But everybody's gone. They've confirmed with me. My kids have arrived safely. My husband is still on the road for way many hours. And that is it, guys. It is now 7:44. Wow, I did this in an hour. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys. Bye.